In this video, you'll learn about some of the top free voice AI tools available today that can compete with ElevenLabs. This guide explains how to utilize these tools effectively, highlighting their features and benefits, allowing you to choose the one that suits your needs best. Let's start with Google Gemini AI Studio. This is a free online text-to-speech tool provided by Google. To begin, simply navigate to the Google Gemini AI Studio website. Once there, you will find an interface featuring over 15 different voices. You do not need an API key or a credit card to start using this tool. This makes it an excellent option for generating natural-sounding voiceovers quickly and without any cost. After selecting your desired voice, you can input your text directly into the provided text box. Next, after pasting your text, click the Generate button. The tool will process your input and produce an audio file. You can listen to the generated voice output directly on the site. This tool is particularly useful if you require a straightforward text-to-speech solution without any sign-up or financial commitment. Ensure that your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience, as loading times may vary based on your speed. The second tool worth exploring is Minimax Audio. This free AI voice generator is recognized for producing near-premium quality voices that can rival paid TTS services. To use Minimax Audio, go to their website and locate the text input area. Paste your text into this field, then click on the Generate Audio button. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for anyone to navigate. If you need to automate voice generation, Minimax Audio also offers API access, which is beneficial for creators looking to streamline their workflow. Moving on to OneForAll.ai, this tool provides free voice cloning with various controls for emotion, pitch, speed, and mood. First, access the OneForAll.ai website to get started. Once there, you can choose from multiple settings to customize your voice output. This tool supports over 20 languages, making it a versatile option for users needing specific language capabilities. After adjusting the settings to your liking, input your text and click Generate to create your customized voice output. This tool is ideal if you want a personalized voice clone without any initial costs. Lastly, we have TTS Maker, which offers unlimited free generation across approximately 20 voices. This tool includes basic controls for pitch and speed adjustments. To use TTS Maker, visit their website and enter your text in the designated area. After clicking Generate, the tool will create your audio file. Although it may not be as refined as ElevenLabs, TTS Maker is a strong option for those who prioritize unlimited usage over high-end quality. Keep in mind that the performance may vary, so ensure your internet connection is adequate for optimal results. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.